Good product for home. Very speedy delivery, easy to install. Nice working. Good return of price. Advisable to purchase. No worries about quality, enjoy workout. Amazing product with sturdy material, no issue encountered till now, and a great job by Amazon for delivering it on time. The packaging of the product was really good. The machine is working as expected. 5 stars for the product, but will give 4 stars for the facility provided. I didn't like the breaking of wooden packaging by myself. It was really hard work to break. I would like to say, if you are providing product directly from warehouse, then assign someone who can break the wooden packaging. NII. Best product in this range. Product. Pro. Good. Stylish. Suitable for adults. DIY installation. Aux cable provided. 12 programs are available. We can fold it. Cons. Pause button is missing. No USB slot packing. Good. Very good quality and easy to use. Nice product, easy installation and prompt delivery. Enough for home use! Exclamation mark, exclamation mark. I am reviewing it after 10 days use. Nice machine, working well till now, easy to install, good company support on telephone. My suggestion is to improve speaker quality and a USB port and memory card slot for MP3 playing via pen drive or memory card. Length of power cord should be more. I will update my review after 6 months of use. Nice. Very good product, go for this. Received the product yesterday and assembled it myself. The product is very good. Parts look genuine though, made in China. Go ahead and buy. Good treadmill, I like it, working fine since 2 months. Lots of preset program to organize startup runners like me. Great product, delivered on time. The treadmill's digital display was the selling point, better than that of other treadmills at the price range. Assembling instructions were easy to follow and it was up and working within 30 minutes. If you are looking for a treadmill in the 20k price range, Cockatoo treadmill is the best buy. Excellent product. All the settings were already done when I received the package. You just need to fix few screws to start with it. Nice display showing all the required metrics for your health. Highly recommended. Great product, delivered on time. The packaging of the product was really good. Installation is easy and I did it on my own and it was done in half an hour. I received the item broken and some function not working properly. Firstly, the packaging was too good. It was packed nicely in a wooded pellet. There is zero chance of damage during transit. I would like to give the details in pros and cons. Pros. 1. Has 3 steps manual incline function. Other products at this price range doesn't have incline function. 2. Motor capacity good. 3. Sturdy and durable frame. 4. The switches are neatly placed in convenient position. 5. Large LCD display. 6. Can be easily assembled without any professional help just by reading the provided manual. 7. Click link in description for more reviews.